Welcome back to the Lyra show. Oh shoot, my headphones. Okay, so first we lost our sound effects person, so we have no sound effects. And yeah. Coming out, Lemony Jams. Woo! Lemony Jams. Okay. Hi. What do you know about hands? Well, I know there are fingers and nails on them. Were you watching last night's episode? Yes, I was. Let's ask you a question. What are arms connected to? Hands. Oh my gosh. How did she know that? Okay, so this girl knows a lot about hands, right? I guess. So, this girl will play a game. A big game. Every time I point to part of my body, what would it be as a human? Hands. Hands. Torso. Head? Not there. Hands. Arms. Hands. Yes, and then we have our special visitor today. His name is Elsa. Let's go see him. Get back here. You're supposed to be on my show. I guess he doesn't want to be on the show, guys. I'm sorry. He has some better things to do, I guess. But whatever. So, since you knew that, we'll give you a prize. A brand new sound effects person. There you go. Bye. Cool. Yes. No. Okay, guys. That was her guest. Since our other guest isn't here right now, why don't we call up a member from the audience? Applejack. Yeah, I'm so honored to be on your show. It's like, yes, shut up. Okay, so, what's your favorite thing to do? I don't know. Do you like to read books about hands? No. Boring. Humans? No. Do you know anything about humans? No. Go sit back down. Anyone else that knows anything at all? Anything, guys? Nothing? I used to do it. I swear. Anything? Come on. I think I know about this. Yeah. We'll test out if she knows right after the commercial breaks. Hey guys, have you ever wanted to get rid of someone so badly that you just like... Now there's a new way. Introducing nap time. It's the brand new way to get rid of people. Watch, I'll use it on this girl right here. Hey. See? Totally worked. Hold it on their mouth for a couple seconds. They're out. It's perfectly fine. Woo! Okay, Fluttershy. What do you know about hands? I know that they put you in that package. Yes. Who wants to hear a story? I guess we do. The worst audience ever. So Hans picked me up. They put all this stuff on me, put me in a package, and they sent me off to a place called Target. And I was like, oh my god. But then later, I got moved to a place called Walmart. And then this little girl named Zoe and her brother Zach all picked me up, and I was all like, "Ah, yeah, girl." Okay, that's all I have for a show. Bye, Fluttershy. Yay!